Welcome everybody, this is VanCat11. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. This video is really basically a video on what I wanted to build myself, and it's not really an actual how-to video. What I wanted to do is I wanted to build myself a table that I was able to fold the legs in and put into, or actually attach it to the wall, so that I can go ahead and back my car into the garage whenever there's a thunderstorm. Out here in Texas, you get some big thunderstorms and with hail coming down. So I just wanted to make sure that I had something that I was going to be able to do my gunsmithing with, and but not get in the way of anything else. So this is the result, and this is what I'm actually showing you guys. So this is the end result. I burned the 2x4s with a torch to give it that burned look, burned effect. Once I remove the stretcher from the bottom of the table, I'm able to lift it up, fold the legs in, and then put the stretcher on top, just store it on top. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for myself. I hope this inspires you to do something for yourself. Thank you for watching.